dito nagluto ako ng ano guys, fried rice. I mean, mag-fried rice pa pala ako guys. So, here na guys. Hey guys, good day. Welcome back to my channel po. So, I'm cooking eggs guys. So, gagawa ko ng fried rice guys. I'm gonna make a fried rice. And ito yung ano dito, kanin. At meron ako ditong ano guys, frozen na mga vegetables. So, para madali guys kasi may ano na carrots and this one the corn and like this one beans I think and potato. Para madali na guys. Tapos we have ano dito guys. I have an onion here and grated na ano guys na how I say it, grated na garlic and ito yung gagamitin ko guys na leg ham ang ano ko guys. Dapat sana is ano lang eggs tapos yun yung mga veggie but I'm gonna add a leg ham and this is the oregano. So malapit na siyang maubos guys. So I'm gonna finish it. Ayan. Tapos itong dito sponsor guys ha, but yeah, I'll show you lang kung anong ilalagay ko or gagamitin ko. But this one is the soy sauce from Coles. Ayan, kita nyo ba? From Coles na. Tapos itong sesame oil and pepper lang naman guys. And then the salt. Ayan lang siya guys. Then magluto na ako guys. Alright. So first guys is you're gonna put the onion and the garlic first. Alright. Ayan. So wait lang natin mag golden brown. And I put just a little bit of ano guys, oil because I don't want too much oil in my fried rice. Ayan. Ayan siya guys. And I'm waiting for like a minute or two. Pwede na. Ayan. And what I do guys is kinakat ko yung ano guys, eggs ng ganito. Wait, I'll show you. Konti, maliit lang yan. Ayan. Ganyan siya kaliit. Pero paliitin ko pa guys. Just karat kasi alam niyo na may husband ako ng matanda na. So, kaya ganito ang paghiwa. Sobrang maliliit lang para makain ka agad. Ayan. Or, yeah. Ito nga. Ginaganon ko guys. Pero this is the last ingredients na ilagay ko sa aking fried rice. Ayan. So, the second guys, ingredients is I add the leg ham guys. Konting leg ham. So, I didn't use the whole leg ham. Konti lang guys. Ayan. At saka itong leg ham guys, nabili ko siya sa Coles. Naka-special to guys. Or naka-clearance. Naka-sale guys ba. Ayan. Gusto ko medyo paig-paig guys. Or burnt yung natin. Yung onion, yung ganyan ba. Yeah. And then the next is I'm gonna add the veggie guys, the frozen veggie. So if wala kayong frozen veggie, you can use any veggie you like or just plain rice, you know, just garlic rice. Ayan. So third ingredients guys I'm gonna add is the frozen. So i-add na lahat guys. Ayan. Add lahat. Ayan. And of course guys, I'm just gonna add maybe 2 patak ng sesame oil. Ayan. Yeah, that's it guys. Konti lang to make the flavor nice ba. So here na guys, I add the rice. So I already add the guys, eggs in the oregano, herbs, and I add a little bit of salt and the pepper, and then I'm gonna add now the 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, just like that. Ayan, maybe I add one more pa, wait. So So here it is. Ayan, I'm gonna add one more, guys. Just like that. And then I'm gonna stir it. Yeah. So this is the finished product, guys, and this is my basic fried rice, Asian style, and yeah, budget style as well, I say. And yeah, this is my fried rice. So I'm gonna have some soon, and when my mister came home, so he can have some too. Alright, my fried rice, guys. Thank you for watching. Ayan. I hope may natutunan kayo, guys. This is just me. So ano lang, ito lang yung personal na recipe, just basic, but I can make next time a special one. Alright, guys, that's it, guys. Thank you for watching.